PNC Bank Online Banking Sign Up Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to our step-by-step guide on signing up for PNC Bank's online banking services. Whether you are new to PNC or looking to streamline your banking experience, we've got you covered. So let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser in your device. In the search bar, type PNC Bank Sign Up and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Open Checking Bank Account link provided by PNC Bank. Enter your zip code and click Submit. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the Sign On option located in the top right side of the screen. Then you can tap on Sign On and you'll be taken to the login page. On the login page, you'll have the option to compare and choose a login wallet. The three major options are Virtual Wallet with Performance Speed, and Virtual Wallet with Performance Select. Select the option that best suits your banking need, and next tap on Apply for Checking and Savings to begin your sign up process. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know to sign up to PNC Bank's online banking services. With just few simple steps, you'll be on your way to managing your finances conveniently and securely.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.